Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase. This purchase was actually from Macy's. This is the Casio Edifice. The model number is ECB-S100D2A. So with all my purchases I get nothing for doing these videos. I like doing these unboxings just to remember the items in the past that I have bought. And in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item, get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, its quality like, etc. So I ordered this on Macy's of all places. I really wasn't even looking for this watch, and they had their friends and family sale. I got this thing for $114. That included tax, shipping, everything. And for $114, I just couldn't pass it up. So let's take a look at it. Module number is 5658. It's got a smartphone link. Now that's one thing I didn't necessarily like about the watch. I was really looking for a dressier watch. I wanted solar power, and what intrigued me about this one is that it has a sapphire crystal. It does connect to your cell phone, so you can set the time. That's what I'm not too cracked up about, but for $114, I figured what the heck, let's try it out. I've had G-Shocks before. I've had Pro-Treks before. I've never had an Edifice. Oh, pretty cool. Little tin. And then let's take a look at the watch itself. So it's kind of interesting. It looks like the minute light hit it, it's setting itself. I'm assuming it was basically in power saving mode, so it was probably turned off. And then once the light hit it, it adjusted itself back. Plastic on the crystal. Sorry, it's really reflective. I'm trying to get you a decent view of the watch without catching so much reflection. It's really not too bad. The band is actually sturdier than I thought. I kind of figured, oh, it's probably going to have a cheap band. It is pretty light compared to like my Casio watches, but for the price it's not horrible. It is really thin. There was some discrepancy between the size. I think it's a 42.7 millimeter watch. I have 6.5 millimeter wrist. That's what it looks like on my wrist. It actually fits pretty nicely. The one thing I did notice from looking at some of the pictures out on the web, it does have some digital values. They are really hard to see. It uses that inverted display, so the digital values are kind of hard. Now, obviously, I don't know how to use any of the features of the watch. Once I figure that out, I will add a link to this video so you can see how the watch works. Looks like the retail price is $260. I'm really not sure why they had it so cheap. They had it marked down on clearance, and then they had a sale going where you got 25% off of that. And that's how I ended up getting it for $114. I'll try and give you a glimpse of the case back. It does say sapphire crystal on the back. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing. I hope the video helps.